continuation of this bike build, we're going to do a few little changes. We're going to remove this and we're going to make some carbon fibre decals. Cheap and affordable. You can get this stuff off eBay for a couple of dollars. So instead of paying hundreds of dollars for sticker kits, you can actually do it yourself. So we're going to add some carbon fibre to the KTM and I'll show you how to do it. Little trick to get rid of sticker residue on any bikes. Just reapply the sticker a few times. And that's how you get it off. Brand new. I decided to remove these pieces because I think that the bike looked a bit too busy for my liking, and I need to take it back a bit and just add a little bit of a carbon fibre look. So let's go to the next part of the video. I don't know if the angle's any good. This is just the gist of what's going on. So I'm going to take the template that I use, the existing sticker, and use it as a template. So what I will do, I'll go back to the bike and because the original cutout for the levels was in the wrong location, I'll put them on the right spot on this, and then when we cut out the carbon fibre sticker, it all should match up. What I might do, I might modify the cutout to be a different shape. I mean, I could cut it out on the next one pretty good, but I've got a feeling to make it neater, I'll do it more a diamond shape. The beauty of this vinyl, it's got markings to cut out your size and shape. So all those people going, why don't you have a scalpel? You just use the tools that you have. And this is all done trial by error. If it doesn't look as good as what I'd like it to be, I can always redo it. And I've got to remind myself that each edge, each corner, it's a little bit rounded, so it's not a straight cut. Whoops. What I've done, oh, it doesn't matter. It does matter. Where is it? And you know, when you do this, a lot of people look at the bike straight away and just go, oh, that's carbon fibre. And then you tell them, you say, oh, that's actually a sticker. And they go, what? They just don't believe you. So it's probably the most affordable and best way to change the look of a bike without having to replace a whole part as carbon fibre. So there we go. Now let's go put them on the bike. A little bit off, but there's just no bubbles in it. Just get these bubbles out. Oh, they're not really bubbles, it's where the indicators are. So maybe that's another option. You cut the cut out a shape so that you can see the those indicator lines. But that is a cheap, affordable way of putting on a fake carbon fibre look on a bike. So I did stuff up on this one just a little bit. I can always remake it. So what do you think? Anyway, that's the video. Thanks for watching, guys.